Ha,
Ha. Tak lah, sama lah.
mula.
Tak apa.
Okay. Hello. My name is Ahmad Amirul Izwan. I'm from Polytechnic Kuala Terengganu. My metric number is 12 DIP 15F1039. Today I will present comparison between pen and mechanical pen. The main function of the mechanical pen is to write note, and the second function is that it can also make tool for drawing. Pen has also the same function with pencil, mechanical pencil, but the difference is ink. Feature pencil has a form various pattern, shape, size is only available size H and 2B. Mechanical pencil only have black color only, while the characteristic of a pen has the same form with pencil press as well as size. Ink pen with black, blue, and red. The advantage of the pencil press is applicable to pen and paper to answer question A, B, C. While the weakness is drug pencil press mechanical pencil easily broke. For pen, they can write note different color, and pen drawback is that when the ink has run out and consumer had to buy a new pen. Thank you. Mati.